Welcome, my gorgeous queen, and thank you for joining me today. If you're looking for beautiful, stylish, and easy to manage short haircuts for my beautiful black women over 60 years of age, you are in the right place. Growing older doesn't mean giving up on style, actually. It is the perfect time to embrace haircuts that highlight your confidence, your beauty, and your personality. In this very video, we are looking at more than 15 stunning short hairstyles that's elegant, timeless, and simple to maintain. All designed to help you look and feel amazing every single day. Short hair is a wonderful choice at any age, but especially over 60 years of age because it's practical, flattering, and can constantly give you a fresh, youthful look. Many of these styles are perfect for natural hair, relaxed hair, or softly coiled textures, and they are great for women who want something that looks polished without spending hours in front of the mirror. As you watch, notice how each haircut frames the face, adds volume in the right places, and brings out the natural beauty of each woman. A good short haircut doesn't just change your look, it can lift your whole appearance and even boost your confidence. You will see class pixie cuts that are soft and feminine, tapered cuts that are nice and modern, and layer short styles that add movement and fullness to tiny hair. Some of these looks are perfect if you love something very low maintenance, while others are great if you enjoy styling your hair a little and switching things up. The beauty of short hair is that it can be both simple and stylish at the same time. With the right cut, you can wake up, do a quick touch up, and still look elegant and put together. These hairstyles are also chosen with comfort in mind. As we get older, we want our hair that feels light, easy, and stress-free, but we still want to look beautiful and confident. Short haircuts can make you look refreshed, highlight your cheekbones, and even make you look a little younger without trying too hard. Whether you prefer a natural look, a softly coiled finish, or a neat and smooth style, there is something here that can inspire you for your own next salon visit. As you are watching, think about which styles match your face shape, your lifestyle, and your personality. The best haircut is always the one that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Don't be afraid to try something new, because sometimes a small change in your hairstyle can make a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Beauty has no age limit, and style only gets better when it matches your confidence and experience. If you are enjoying the hairstyles ideas, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might be looking for a fresh new look. And don't forget to tell me in the comments which hairstyle is your favorite and your age range. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more beautiful and inspiring hairstyle ideas for you. Bye bye.